Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most exciting superbikes to hit the scene, the ZXJC 820RR. This isn't just another sports bike, it's a statement of speed, design, and technology. In the next 10 minutes, we'll break down everything you need to know about this machine, from its striking looks and blistering performance to its cutting-edge features and rider-focused design. Let's get started. Design and first impressions. First things first, the design. The ZXJC 820RR looks like it's been carved straight out of a wind tunnel. Every line, every curve is crafted for speed and aerodynamics. Up front, dual LED headlamps and aggressive air intakes give it that futuristic race-inspired face. The sculpted fuel tank and slim tail section let the rider tuck in perfectly at high speeds, reducing drag and boosting stability. With its bold color options, metallic reds, matte blacks, deep blues, and carbon fiber touches, the 820RR looks premium even when it's standing still. It's the kind of bike that draws a crowd at every stoplight. Engine and performance. Underneath that beautiful bodywork sits the heart of the beast, an 820cc inline-4 engine. This powerhouse delivers thrilling acceleration, a wide torque band, and a red line that begs to be explored. It's built for riders who want that intoxicating rush of power every time they twist the throttle. A 6-speed close-ratio gearbox with quick shifter means lightning-fast upshifts, and the slipper clutch keeps things smooth during aggressive downshifts. Whether you're carving through city streets or tearing down the highway, the ZXJC 820RR responds instantly. Chassis, suspension, and handling. The chassis is where the ZXJC 820RR really shines. Built around a lightweight aluminum twin-spar frame, this bike offers razor-sharp precision without sacrificing stability. Up front, fully adjustable upside-down forks give you control over compression, rebound, and preload. At the rear, an adjustable monoshock keeps the bike planted even under hard acceleration. Steering geometry has been tuned for agility, letting you flick from corner to corner effortlessly. Whether it's a tight hairpin or a sweeping bend, the 820RR gives you that confidence-inspiring feel you want in a superbike. Tech and features. The ZXJC 820RR is a tech lover's dream. A full-color TFT display replaces traditional gauges, showing everything from gear position to lap times. Multiple riding modes adjust throttle response, ABS, and traction control instantly. Connect your phone via the dedicated app to log ride data, check maintenance, or get navigation prompts directly on the dash. LED lighting all around, keyless ignition, heated grips, and self-canceling turn signals complete the high-tech package. Comfort and everyday usability. You might expect a bike this powerful to sacrifice comfort, but the ZXJC 820RR strikes a smart balance. The seat uses multi-density foam to reduce fatigue, and the handlebars and foot pegs are sporty without being extreme. The adjustable windscreen deflects air at highway speeds, and even the suspension can be softened for a smoother commute. Practical features like under-seat storage, USB charging, and a removable rear seat cowl make it surprisingly versatile.